you're well. Today we're going to show our second idea for Valentine's Day. Let's get started.
Okay guys, we're going to start this hairstyle doing a division on the top of the head. Now we're going to do another one from the crown, doing a heart shape to the ear. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And next we're going to hold this section of hair at the front. With the remaining hair we're going to comb it and we're going to hold it into a low ponytail. To start, I'm going to use a piece of ribbon and we're going to hold it using bobby pins. Now we're going to pick up a small piece of hair from this corner, split it into 3 equal pieces, and the ribbon will be the 4th strand. So we will have from the top, hair, hair, ribbon, hair. In here we're going to start the braid crossing the first strand from the top, under the second one, and over the ribbon. Now from the bottom, cross this strand over the second one and under the ribbon. Again, we're going to add hair to the first strand from the top, add a small and tiny piece of hair, now cross it under the second one and over the ribbon, and from the bottom, cross this strand over and under the ribbon. One more time, add hair to the first strand, and we're going to cross this section under the second strand and over the ribbon. From here, cross the bottom strand over and under the ribbon. We're going to keep doing the same steps following the division. And if you want a more detailed tutorial of this braid, I'm going to leave you a link in the top right corner. Keep adding hair until you reach the eyebrow. And now we can keep braiding without adding hair. In here, hold the braid with an elastic band and do the same thing on the right side. We're going to make sure that both of the braids are the same length, and now hold this one with an elastic. We're going to take off the bobby pins and we're going to do a little bow. I'm going to hold it using a bobby pin as well. Next, grab the braids and hold them together with an elastic band. We're going to use the remaining ribbon to cover the elastics and do a double knot in here. We're going to cut out the remaining ribbon. And next we can let down the rest of the hair. If you notice that the hair is a little loose, you can hold it in here using a bobby pin.
We hope you liked this video. If so, give us lots of big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you next week. Bye!